First, let's start from scratch by importing our images into Photoshop 2024. Select the Move tool, then click and hold one of the image in order to drag it to the Other Images tab. Press Ctrl-T to activate the Transform tool, then resize and move the top image as needed. Select the layer of the top image, then create a new layer mask from the bottom right. Press the D key, then select the Gradient tool. Select the Linear Gradient, then Foreground to Background from the Basics folder. Click and drag from the edge of the top image until the two images blend together seamlessly. All done. Please subscribe.